If you want an easy way to automatically adjust colors in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your image, select the correct layer, use the Auto Adjust tool, and save the finished file for free. This is a super fast way to improve brightness, contrast, and overall color balance without manually editing every setting. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr and go to the landing page. The quickest way to start is by dragging and dropping your photo directly onto the page. As soon as you upload it, Pixlr will open the editor and load your image into the workspace. If you have a photo ready on your computer, just drag it in and wait a second for it to appear. Now take a look at the Layers panel on the right-hand side. This part is important because you want to make sure the correct photo layer is selected before applying any changes. If your layer is not highlighted, click on it once so Pixlr knows exactly which image you want to edit. Selecting the right layer prevents you from accidentally adjusting the wrong object or element. Once your photo layer is selected, move to the top menu bar and click Adjustment. This is where Pixlr keeps a variety of color and image correction tools. After opening that menu, look for Auto Adjust in the drop-down list. Auto Adjust is the feature that automatically analyzes your image and balances the colors for you. It's especially useful if your photo looks dull, too dark, too bright, or slightly off in tone. Click Auto Adjust and let Pixlr do the work. In just a moment, you should see the image update with improved color, contrast, and overall clarity. Depending on the photo, the change might be subtle or more noticeable, but the goal is to make the image look cleaner and more polished with almost no effort. If you like the result, great. You're ready to save it. To download your edited image, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This will open the save options. From there, choose the file format you want, such as JPG, PNG, or WebP. Each format works well for different situations, so pick the one that best matches your needs. JPG is great for smaller file sizes, PNG is useful if you need quality and transparency, and WebP is a modern option that keeps files efficient. After choosing your format, click Save As to download the file for free. Pixlr will process the image and save it to your device. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can automatically adjust colors in Pixlr without needing advanced editing skills or expensive software. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.